Guys, this is the front of Amsterdam Central Station. In front of the station, of course, you have this canal with these boats that can take you around the city of Amsterdam. These are the tour boats. If you come in front of the Central Station, which is that one, the main station of Amsterdam Central, just in front of it, then you have this canal here, where you have these tour boats. You can see people there going down to go and board the boats. Yeah. All these are tour boats that will take you around the city of Amsterdam. This is just how the front view of Amsterdam looks like. Let me just take you around and you see.
Niet zo.
So this is the other side of the Amsterdam Central Station. This is another tour boat. Yeah, you can have so many of them. When you come here, like I said, this is just the stairs. You can come down to board any one of these boats. Alles goed? Here. This is where you walk to board the boats. Yeah. Amsterdam. This is just in front of here. You can buy your tickets. As you see there, Canal cruise. These are some of the people who are disembarking from one of the boats. It's just a beautiful place. A wonderful city, Amsterdam City. These are the boats, as you can see. These are one of the boats. Yeah, you can able to board them, and then you tour the whole city inside this canal. You can use the canal to tour the whole city. I'm just taking you around so that you can see how Amsterdam City looks like from the train station area. Let's just climb. Let me just take you guys down where you can park your bicycle. Of course, as you know, Amsterdam is a bicycle city. Netherlands It's a bicycle city. So here you are seeing I'm going down this excavator. I'm taking you down where you can park your bicycle. It's a bicycle garage where you can park your bicycle. And if you are around Amsterdam, so it's just close to the canal. As you see, another beautiful boats. These are the canal boats taking you around. So let's just go. You see, this is the view. You come down. This is the pavilion to come down to park your bicycle. As you see, yeah. Yeah, it's made mainly to park bicycle, no other thing else. So as you can see, people are taking their bicycle, coming out. Yeah, it's just to park your bicycle. Simple. So as you see, so here if you have your private bicycle you can able to park, but these also are bicycles. As you see them, they are uniform. It's for the train station. This is their bicycle, you know, so you can rent them. You can rent this bicycle and tour the Amsterdam City. Yeah. All these blue and yellow bicycle are just bicycle you can rent, and then you tour the Amsterdam City. But you can also, if you have your own bicycle, you can also park your bicycle down here, as you see. As you see, all these are stack of bicycle park here. These are the ones for private people. People with their personal bikes. Where are they? Yeah, this is it. People with their personal bikes. All this is for bicycle garage. Presently, we are under the train station from the canal. As you see, we come down. So all this one is for bicycle. It's a bicycle garage where you can come, you park your bicycle, and then you go and walk around. If you don't want to walk with your bicycle, because sometimes the city is very choked, you see, you just have it in the two sides, left and right. The yellow and blue ones, like I said to you guys, it's the one for the train station. They are renting it. But if you have your personal bicycle, you can come down here and park it. Yeah, just take a look. Let me just walk inside word on this so that you can take a look. You can see left and right. Yeah. Yeah. It's a bicycle garage in front of the Amsterdam Central station. It's a very big place which I cannot able to even walk all over. So that's why I'm just making this video. It's amazing. Of course, Netherlands is a traditional bicycle country. So as you see, all these people that are coming down here is to come and take their bicycle. So this whole place is for bicycle. It's a bicycle garage. Amazing place here in Amsterdam. And then I'm coming out from the other side. I came from the other side, but now I'm coming out here from the other side. You see the way they made this? You cannot able to pass here with a bicycle unless the other side. Here is only for human. When you want to come out, you can use this and you come out. So I'm finding my way up again. To go inside the train station of Amsterdam. Like I said, this is below the ground where they create this place to park bicycle. And here, of course, you can able to use metro, which can go down with you. Yeah, this is a metro. So let me just take you guys outside again from where we came. Not where we came on the other side, but it's going to link us to the upper side of the Amsterdam Centraal station. As you can see here, Amsterdam Centraal station. Yeah. So we have come up the other side. Like I said, that is the Central Station of Amsterdam. That is the Central Station. This is how it looks. So okay guys, this is the front side of Amsterdam Central Station, and these are the trams that are taking you around. The transport system is very coordinated in this city, you know. You can take the tram to walk your way around. You can use bicycle, you can walk, you can use bus, you can use train, and the metro down that I showed you. So this is the, yeah, this is the area to go inside the city center of Amsterdam. This way, if you walk this way, the train station is back of you. When you turn, it takes you direct to the city center of Amsterdam, where the shops are and all other things.
LGBT is not good. Lesbian is not good.